Get a better night's rest with these easy stop snoring tips. Few things are more exasperating than trying to get a good night's rest when someone is snoring loudly only inches away from your ears. Fortunately, there are many things that can be done to stop snoring. Keep watching for a handful of useful information that can be used to halt snoring, your own or your partner's. Many people find that breathing strips are an effective and fairly affordable means of cutting down on the snoring. However, some people have expressed problems with preventing the strips from falling off during the night. Before applying the strip, use an alcohol-based toner to swab the nose and surrounding area. This will allow the adhesive strips to firmly grip the skin all night long. If you have a snoring problem, avoid sleeping on your back. This position makes snoring more likely because of the way the soft palate and base of the tongue rest at the back of your mouth. Instead, sleep on your side. You are less likely to snore in this position and your quality of sleep will likely improve. Get a mouth guard. Visiting a doctor for a prescription mouth guard is a successful method for many who suffer from a rattling snore. The mouth guard prevents your jaw muscles from relaxing too much, preventing them from slipping back. This method may be costly, but if you are a persistent snorer, it is worth a try. In order to cut back on snoring, turn over and sleep on your side, not on your back. If you sleep on your back, especially with only 1 or 2 pillows, mucus can gather in your nasal passages. Sleeping on your side will keep the mucus out of the passages, and you won't have a blockage that will cause snoring. With the information that you have just read, you should be more well informed about what options are available to stop snoring. While snoring is not generally indicative of a life-threatening condition, it is certainly annoying. Use this information and do whatever it takes to get a full night of rest and relaxation. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.